Hello everyone, welcome back to your own channel Let's Learn with Aisha. I hope all of you are doing very well in your lives, and if not, I wish you all the best and keep moving. You are just there. With this message, let's jump to our video. Today we are going to discuss 10 ideas for activity based learning in the classroom. So let's get started. First one on the list is science experiments. Science experiments are a great way for students to learn about the world around them in a hands-on way. Students can work together to design and conduct experiments and then share their findings with the class. Art projects. Art projects can help students to express their creativity and learn about different art techniques. Students can create individual or group projects and then display their work in the classroom or around the school to get it recognized. Cooking demonstrations. Cooking demonstration can teach students about different cuisines and how to prepare healthy meals. Students can help to prepare the food and then taste and evaluate their creations. Role-playing activities. Role-playing activities can help students to learn about different social situations and how to interact in those particular situations with others. Students can role-play historical events, current events, or everyday situations. Simulations. Simulations can give students a taste of what it is like to work in a particular field or to experience a particular situation. For example, student could simulate running a business or managing a city or flying a plane. Next on the list is field trips. Field trips can take students outside of the classroom and expose them to new experiences. I must say new and real-time experiences. Students could visit a museum, a zoo, a factory, or a historical site for this exposure and learning experience. Guest speakers. Guest speakers can share their knowledge and experience with students comprehensively. Students could listen to a scientist talk about their research, an author talk about their book, or a business person talk about their career. Debates. Debates can help students to develop their critical thinking skills and learn how to argue their points effectively. Students can debate current events, controversial topics, or even hypothetical situations. Games. Who doesn't like games? Games can be a fun and engaging way for students to learn. Students can play educational games, board games, or even video games for learning process and learning purpose. Puzzles. Puzzles can help students to develop their problem-solving skill and their spatial reason skills. Students can work on individual or group puzzles. So guys, and my dear educators and teachers, these are just a few ideas for activity-based learning in the classroom. There are many other possibilities and the best activities for your student, but that will depend on their age, interest, and learning needs. I hope these ideas will be helpful for teachers and educators in their classrooms. See you in the next video. Until then, take care. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Goodbye.